Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be learning the concept of bubble sort. So what is sorting? Sorting is a process of arranging a data in a specific order. It could be a ascending order or a descending order. And let's see how bubble sort actually works. Let's say we have a list like this. First, what we will do is we will take its first value and take its nearest right value and compare them. If the first value is greater than the second value, we will swap their places. And likewise, we will take second value and take third value. And we will again compare them, and if second value is greater than third value, we will swap their places as well. And likewise, we will continue the loop until the list is sorted. Now let's see how to write this in a code. Let's define a function first. We will call it bubble sort, and inside the bubble sort, we will pass a list as a parameter. So this is the list that's gonna be inside the function. Now we need to iterate over the list, right? Therefore I will use for loop for I in range from 0 to length of the list, because we need to get every element inside it, right? Now after this, to compare the value, we will use another loop for j in range from 0 to length of list minus 1. We are using this minus 1 because we are going through every element inside the list, right? So in order to protect it from going overflow or out of the range, we are using this minus 1. After this, we need to compare the left value with the right value, right? So for this, if the value inside the right is greater than the value inside right, this means the left value, this means the right value. Because at first the value of j will be 0, right? So 0 greater than j plus 1, so 0 plus 1 will be 1. Therefore it will be left, this will be right. So after the comparison, what we can do is we can swap their places, right? So let's swap the places of j and j plus 1. What we can do is we can simply write list j plus 1 and then list j. So what this means is we are assigning j plus 1 to j and j to j plus 1. So we are swapping their places. After this, we can simply return the list. That's all. Now let's call the function and see if it actually works. We will call bubble sort, and inside the bubble sort we will pass a random list. So this is a random list. Okay, let's run the function. As you can see over here, the list has been sorted. So this is how we can write bubble sort algorithm in Python. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.